Dorman Products Top Parts Overview Video, a monthly announcement on new formerly dealer-only parts. This month's featured OE fix comes from Dorman's growing line of direct-fit stainless steel brake line kits. Over time, original brake lines require replacement due to rust, corrosion, and deterioration from environmental debris. Dorman's OE fix addresses this common failure by upgrading the brake line material to stainless steel for added corrosion resistance and a longer service life. Dorman is pleased to now offer expanded coverage for late model Ford, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles, including Ford F-150 trucks from 2000 to 1997. Dorman's stainless steel brake lines are pre-formed to specific applications, saving you time and money by eliminating the bending, cutting, and flaring associated with bulk brake line tubing, while also including all lines and fittings necessary for a complete brake line repair. Don't end up stranded on the side of the road with a flat tire. Dorman's new Spare Tire Toolkit is now available for over 16 million GM trucks from 2015 to 1999. Our 4-piece spare tire toolkit includes everything needed to quickly remove or install vehicle wheels, lug nuts, and to raise and lower jack the spare tire. Additionally, our direct replacement spare tire toolkit components are constructed of steel and powder-coated for long-lasting durability. Also available this month is a new and exclusive backup alarm fitting over 1.6 million Nissan passenger cars, full-size trucks and SUVs, and minivan applications from 2014 to 2004. The primary function of the backup alarm is to warn the driver when the backup sensor senses objects in close proximity of the vehicle. Additionally, this direct replacement alarm is easy to install, thoroughly tested, and ensures proper fit, form, and function every time. Dorman's new and exclusive battery circuit fuses fit some of today's most popular Nissan cars and full-size SUVs from 2015 to 2004. The battery circuit fuse protects wiring and electrical equipment and helps to restore power to various electrical components throughout the vehicle. This direct replacement part is easy to install and ensures a proper fit, form, and function every time. Finally, also new this month is an OE Fix electronic throttle body for popular Cadillac, Chevrolet, GMC, Hummer, Saab, and Isuzu vehicle applications from 2008 to 2005. Original units frequently require replacement due to electronic sensor failure, which causes disruption within the circuit, sending the vehicle into limp home mode. Dorman's OE Fix solution provides a redesigned electronic board that includes a new Hall effect sensor for a longer and more reliable service life. Additionally, Dorman's replacement part is durably designed for an exact fit, performance match, and corrosion resistance. Also available this month, Kia Backup Camera, Ford Fuel Pressure Sensor, over 50 stainless steel brake lines, 18 engine variable timing solenoids, 22 door lock actuator motors, and over 15 fluid reservoirs.